Therefore, in the beginning the Word was. For he was the Word, even the messenger of salvation. Now, this is an interesting one, because what is Word? What is the Word? In the beginning was the Word. Well, that's referring to the Greek term logos. So what is logos in the Greek? Well, it's a term from Greek philosophy. If you were the intended audience of the New Testament writers, you would understand quite clearly what that means, because it would have been very obvious to you as a Greek citizen, someone in the learning of the Greeks. It's something I've only come to learn recently, but it's incredible. Its logos is a universal principle of order and reason that governs the cosmos and is reflected in human thought and language. So in the beginning was the logos. In the beginning was the universal principle of order and reason that governs the universe. In the beginning was the holy priesthood. And the priesthood, right, for he was the Word. He was in the order, after the order, had the fullness of that priesthood. And that allowed him to be the messenger of salvation.
This is the same principle that we use today in the gospel when we're trying to teach eternal truths, but you have to do it using, and I know you know this better than me because you obviously speak Portuguese and Spanish, and you have to try to convey truth using the words or the terminology available to the people hearing it, right? What makes the most sense to use in place of that? And this is almost like a preparatory teaching that John was giving here, in this case to the Greeks, where he's saying, look, you have this concept. This is, for now, this is how you want to consider this concept. Like, this is who Christ was, kind of a thing. Now, clearly this was being taught in hopes and in preparation for deeper, truer understanding down the road. But we need to understand how these things are being taught, because today you have people who interpret this as if this was the final end-all teaching that John or any of the apostles were trying to give. And that's not what we see. What we see is apostles trying to bear truth in a language to people that understood very little of it, right?
Right.
Trying to meet them where they were. Right. They were trying to meet the people where they were and what they could understand. And so this is all very preparatory for them seeking to teach the deeper Melchizedek type eternal truths that they understood and wanted to give. And so it's beautiful that they found this term logos, or what later became translated as the Word in English, because it really does a pretty good job of capturing there is a holy order.
Hit that like button, leave us a comment, subscribe to the channel. We really appreciate it.
They may seem like little things, but liking, commenting, it helps the algorithm push our content out to more people. So it's our small way of sharing the gospel in a social media age.